向左前方行驶。前方300米左转。So there's a big garbage dump here. And a chicken poking around. And as you can see, these are all lava rocks, right? Yeah, you can see all the porous holes, or whatever it's called. And all their walls are made out of these lava rocks. Looks really old. It's really, really amazing that all the houses, everything here is made out of these lava stones. So cool. It's definitely one of the coolest villages I've ever been to. Although I gotta say, I don't do that much village exploring. I spend a lot of time in the cities. I am a city kid, but this village is awesome. I'm so glad I searched this on the internet. Oh my gosh, this looks like, I don't know, like thousands of years old. I can like literally move these rocks. Look. In the background you can hear all the New Year's fireworks going off right now. Or firecrackers, I should say. And it's actually legal because right now we're not in the city, so it's okay to do these firecrackers in this in the far. Oops! I just broke that wood. I'm literally just walking in random people's areas right now. I don't know if that's allowed, but China seems very friendly and safe, so I think it's okay. Yeah, so in the cities, firecrackers are banned because of the pollution and the noise pollution. But in the countryside like this, it's okay to do the firecrackers. So you're going to hear a lot going off in this area. This is freaking amazing. Look at this area. It's crazy. And they still got power and everything, which is cool. So if anyone lives in here, I'm sure, I don't think they do. This is such a cool area. Wow. This kind of reminds me of Pompeii. Is that? Yeah, it's called Pompeii, right? It's very similar to this, and interesting that they're both volcanic cities or villages. People still live here. I see, look at that. There's an address, 155. Not sure if you see that. Oh, I can go in closer, show you. But people do live here. There's addresses on this. I don't know if they actually live here or not, but there's address numbers, so. You can see those are the new walkways, and these are the ancient walkways, the original ones. Again, made by lava stone. Very narrow little corridors here. Whoa, ouch, just slipped. All these old lava stones. This is crazy cool. Is that? I'm looking for these lava. This one's locked up. Seems like someone lives here. I'm wondering if this is one of the lava caves. I have no idea. Could even just be someone's bathroom. But no, I don't think so. Wow, but look at this wild growth. No, this is not a lava cave. Want to see it jump? Here we go. Jump. Oop. Oop. Oh, okay. It doesn't want to jump. It wants to play, maybe? Oh. Now, if this kind of village doesn't make you love China, then you're just a weirdo, because this is amazing. This volcanic village with chickens and red envelopes pasted on the rocks. So effing cool. And apparently the cave is coming up. I just talked to a local. Look at these steps. It's ancient stone steps. Oh, nice. Look at these. This has got to be hundreds of years old, if not older. Oh shit, there's one right there. There is one lava cave right here. There's supposed to be 72 in this area. That is crazy. That is cool. Wow. Shall we? We shall. Let's go in there. So, I'm not a geologist, but somehow lava formed. Look at that big hole there. That's kind of scary. Wow. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Absolutely awesome. And right outside is a bamboo forest. Oh, crazy. Bamboo forest with these ancient steps. Holy crap, this is so cool. There's just tons of these. Okay, I don't really like to do selfies, but I need to film myself in this lava cave because it's so crazy cool. And yeah, I'm really glad I had the patience to keep looking for it. Oh, I just missed it. Damn, I just missed it. What's amazing is that I can touch anything I want. It's a totally open tourist area. I guess not that many people come through here, so they don't need to protect it as much as other type of places. You know, a lot of these old type of sites, you know, you're not allowed to touch anything. It's all guarded off, but here it's completely free for people to be silly and touch things because it's just not that overrun yet. Wow, this goes really deep. I'm gonna need a light. This goes really, 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 really deep. Looks like there's... Okay, that area is sealed off. Yeah, I'm gonna need a light. Okay, let me see. Let me get my phone. It's getting a little scary because it's... Yeah, okay. Let's get my light going on here. Okay. Got my flashlight turned on. It's not really doing anything though. So this area has a sealed off thing. I don't know if this was a jail or it's just sealed off. Can you see that? Maybe this was a jail before, I have no idea. It's really amazing because you can literally see how the roots of these trees penetrate the rock. And you could just follow it all the way down. It's really amazing. Wow. There's roots everywhere. And I don't think I'm brave enough to get inside this one. This looks like a pretty crazy cave over here. Okay, I guess they're all connected. Yeah, that scary one that I saw before is connected to this one here. And you can see all these fragments. This is how they build their houses. They just grab rocks from these broken pieces. So it's easy to use them as construction materials. Okay, there's another little, I don't know if this is a washroom or a cave. I don't know. This could be a washroom. Look at these roots just dominating the rock. Cool, you see this in Guangzhou as well. Roots that are just breaking up the cement, pushing up all the sidewalks. Just this kind of tree, this jungle tree. It's very powerful. So if you're looking for that jungle adventure with lava caves and all that stuff, come to Haikou. It is really cool. And this village is called Rongtang. Oh, so pretty. Look at these flowers. So in the background you can hear all the firecrackers, as today is New Year's Day, I believe. It follows the lunar calendar, so I'm not even really sure what day it is today, if it's New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. Not certain. And now that I've walked through this area, I'm just pretty much headed into someone's backyard, it seems like. Drying their shoes and their clothes. Yep, all their clothes are being hung up. And I feel like I'm invading people's private property right now, and there's a whole bunch of chickens. So it was a grandmother's home, and she looked really happy to see me. She was just smiling and laughing because I just walked through her backyard. I'm gonna go that way because there's this is really beautiful, this street, but I want to see the noise. There's some music and stuff going on over there. Alright, let's see how this little village celebrates. They're just playing music and having fun. This area has a sealed off thing. I don't know if this was a jail or it's just sealed off. Can you see that? Maybe this was a jail before.